So welcome students. In this question you're given that x square plus px plus 12 is equal to 0 has 4 as one of the root and x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 has equal roots. If that is so, what is q? Again, a very straightforward question. So what can you do? What can you write from the first information? 4 is one of the root of this. That means 4 has to satisfy this equation. So 16 plus 4p plus 12 should be equal to 0. This implies 4p should be equal to minus 28. P is equal to minus 7. So from the first information, p has to be equal to minus 7. And from the second information, this equation has to have equal roots. So the discriminant of the second equation has to be equal to 0. So p square should be equal to 4q. This implies q is equal to p square by 4. That is equal to 49 by 4. So that should be the value of q. Thank you.